Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows update for not installing this error code. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Go to click to the search bar, search the troubleshoot settings, click to open, click to the other troubleshoot, see the Windows update, and then set it. Then wait for the few minutes to this is the detected the problems for the Windows update. This is a bending system change it to the reboot your detected problems. Okay, I will click to next to resolving the problems. Wait, check the bending restart and check the Windows update issues. You will click to close to you will go back the Windows update. Get click to the resum updates to get update the Windows or this is the not any other error issues showing to you will connect to the second step. Okay, then second step for get open the CMD, then you will see this command to copy to paste. I will provide this command for this video description. Okay, and go to the search bar, search the CMD, click to the run as admin, click to you press second row press V to click to enter this operation for successful. Okay, type the exit, then third step for change the Windows update in automatic in services. Okay. You take click to the search bar, search the services, click to run as administrator. So you will scroll down for see the Windows update, then select it to right click to properties. So you will change the startup type for this is the automatic. You will change the automatic services status for already is running. This is the stop to you will start to this is automatically running, change it to running. Okay. Apply, click to apply, click to OK. Then this step is finished to go back then or Windows icon get restart your PC or laptop so this problem is for solve it. After get go to the settings, click to the Windows update to you click to the recent updates. Okay. Then anyone doubt to put in the comment then thank you for watching.